Before Mutuhara UK even existed, before you and I ever knew what Mutuhara was, there were dedicated individuals who made it what it is today. We are so fortunate to have one such person with us today, a legendary figure with so much experience in the fields of film, directing, producing, and so much more. She joined Rupavahini during its inception in February 1982 as a program producer and director. In this role, she was heavily involved in many documentaries. She even started some shows that ran on Rupavahini such as Siriliya and Lamapuat, some of which air on screen even today. She has also been involved in lecturing in prestigious higher education institutes all over Sri Lanka.
And of course, she helped the Mutuhara program from day one and presented Mutuhara Panamuthu with Mr. Rosman Senaratna from the beginning. All her experience has been invaluable to us in her role as patron of Mutuhara UK. She not only supports us in numerous ways, but also provides us with her expertise. She helped us transform these speeches from mere words all the way to a conversation between the presenter and the audience.
So, felicitations to Mrs. Anoma Wattaledania. This is to express our heartiest gratitude for being the patron of Mutuhara UK and for your valuable guidance that we have received throughout. And this is with love from all of Mutuhara Rupavahini 2515 UK.
පුංචි දෙයක් කියන්න තියෙනවා. අනුමනන්දට මේ සමරු පළකය පිළිගැන්වුවේ අවුරුදු 7ක් පුරා මුතුහාරට ආපු පුංචි පැංචියෝ අද ලොකු වෙලා. බොහොම ස්තුතියි.
Venerable Mahasangha, Mr. Nadika Guruge, friends of Mutuhara, the family of Mutuhara, and last but not least, all the children who have graced this occasion today with their performance as well as their presence. I extend a very warm welcome to you all and thank you for being here today. We consider all of you as pearls in a string of pearls, Mutuhara. However, firstly, I would like to thank the organizers, the parents, families and children of Mutuhara for your appreciation of me. I'm extremely surprised but immensely grateful to be the recipient of your token of appreciation and most of all, your love. I have always taken a lot of pride in being a person who has seen Mutuhara from beyond day one, since the time when it was not even a full-fledged idea, but only a fraction of an idea. My lifelong friend and my wonderful colleague, Dr. Lalitha Siribardana harbored. On that very first day, 40 plus years ago, neither myself nor Lalitha ever thought that that seed would grow into such a magnificent and enormous tree. Nurturing and giving shade to generations of Sri Lankan children in Sri Lanka as well as across the world. This day, today, where Mutuhara is in the United Kingdom, so very well established, with a powerhouse of skills, talents, dedication and strength to the extent of being able to host an event as wonderful as Walapulin Besa, a concert performed solely by Sri Lankan children living in the United Kingdom. Is not something any of us ever envisaged back then. But let us never forget that none of this would have been possible if not for the founder of Muthuhara, Dr. Lalitha Siribardana. It is her vision that she so carefully yet effectively crafted that built a solid platform for thousands of Sri Lankan children across the generations to learn, to develop new skills and talents which strengthen Muthuhara to spread its wings across the seas. Therefore, as the patron of UK Muthuhara, I would like to take this opportunity to forward my gratitude to Dr. Lalitha Siribardana for creating and building a brand Muthuhara. And I would also like to let you all know, especially the children of UK Muthuhara, that I met my friend Lalitha last month when I was in Sri Lanka, and you would be delighted to learn how happy and proud she is of each one of you. A very big and special thank you to Mr. Nadika Guruge for your amazing contribution towards Walakulin Besser. I have always enjoyed your music and admired your great talent. And I must say to all the UK Muthuhara children, and I will stress, you are immensely fortunate to have worked with the likes of Mr. Guruge. And I trust you will keep with you for the rest of your lives every little skill and lessons you learned from Mr. Guruge throughout this experience. It is priceless. Mrs. Mudita Munasinghe, the organizer of UK Muthuhara, is a great example as to how well Dr. Siribardana cemented the future of Muthuhara. Thank you, Mudita, for all your hard work in bringing Muthuhara to the UK and thereby initiating a valuable resource for the children here to bond with their Sri Lankan roots. Thank you to all the parents and carers, then and now, who have dedicated their time and energy to support UK Muthuhara. No performance is complete without an audience. And with you, not only do you complete, but your enthusiasm complements too. Thank you, and I trust that you will have a wonderful evening and a memorable day. Thank you very much.